Alright, so good day learners. So today we're going to talk about nervous system. So our objective for today, identify the parts and functions of nervous system. So what is nervous system? Nervous system connects body parts and transmits signals from one part to another. Also, it is a system of cells, tissues, organs that regulates the body's responses to internal and external stimuli. And nervous system is one part of the 11 body systems in our body. So this is the nervous system. Aside from the integumentary, respiratory, endocrine, reproductive, excretory, immune, digestive, and cardiovascular, so we have nervous system. So we have the major division of nervous system. We have central nervous system and we have peripheral nervous system. So under that, the CNS, or the central nervous system, we're going to talk about its main components. We have the brain and spinal cord. Under the brain, we have the main parts. We have the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem. However, on the peripheral nervous system, we have the main divisions. We have the somatic and we have the autonomic. And under the main parts of somatic, we have spinal nerves and cranial nerves. And for autonomic, we have subdivision, we have sympathetic, and we have parasympathetic. Alright, so let's begin with the central nervous system. Central nervous system, or the CNS, serves as the main processing center for the entire nervous system. So I'm going to use this. So we have, this is under the central nervous system. Under the central nervous system, it divided into two. We have the brain. So this is the brain. And a brain is an organ located within the skull that functions as organizer and distributor of information for the body. And under the brain, we have the three main parts of the brain. We have the cerebrum. The first part is what we call cerebrum. Cerebrum is a large located on the upper part of the brain that controls the activity and thought. So meaning on the cerebrum, these are this one controls the activity and thought. Ibig sabihin, on how we think and the different activity. We have example, on the frontal lobe, we have the consciousness, speech, yan. For the parietal lobe, for the reading, speech, visual, and vision. Occipital, ito yung likod ng brain natin. Okay, dapat iniingatan kasi it is responsible for the eyes, especially on the eyes or the vision. You have the smell, yan. So on the temporal lobe. The other part is, second to the largest, we have the cerebellum. The cerebellum located on the under the cerebrum. Okay, so located under the cerebrum, and it controls posture, balance, and coordination, meaning body movement. Alright, or the coordination of the different parts of our human body, meaning on how you walk, your posture, and how you stand, and the different coordination. The other one, and the last main part, we have the brainstem. Alright, so brainstem, also known as the medulla oblongata, it connects brain to the spinal cord. It controls automatic functions such as the breathing, digestion, and heart rate and blood pressure. Meaning, this automatic function, ito yung hindi nakokontrol ng ating katawan, like breathing, digestion, heart rate, and blood pressure. So this is what we call the brainstem, with the pons and the medulla. So basic vital example is breathing. Next, other major part of central nervous system is what we call, aside from the brain, we have the spinal cord. So spinal cord serves as a channel of signals between the brain and the rest of the body. It controls simple musculoskeletal reflexes without input of the brain. So when we say control simple musculoskeletal, we have what we call the reflexes. So when we say reflexes, alright, so when we say reflexes, ito yung uncontrollable. Okay? Meaning, parang hindi na kailangan sabihin ng brain mo na dapat mo siyang gawin. Example, pagkisap ng mata. Alright? Or blinking of an eye. So, meaning, kailangan pa ba nating isipin na, I need to blink my eye. So that is what we call the reflex. Parang automatic controlled body movement have with the coordination of muscles or muscle control or the muscle brain. So that is reflexes. And for the spinal cord, therefore, it is very important to take care the brain and also the spinal cord. Next, we have the peripheral nervous system. So again, under the central nervous system, we have this one. Yan, this one. Central nervous system. The spinal cord, the cerebellum, and the brain. Next, let's go on to the second. Alright, the second major system, we have the peripheral nervous system. So the peripheral nervous system, or the PNS, connects CNS, or the central nervous system, to the organs and limbs. Alright? So organ, meaning the peripheral nervous system, the organ, like heart,